Hi guys, I'm ready and set for my 2-day trip. My backpack are loaded and it's the 511 Ross 72. Last and final video of 3. You can find the first 2 videos about this backpack in my playlist, Gear and Reviews, and I will put links in the description as well. So let's hit the road. In the last video I packed the backpack, and if you haven't seen that one, I suggest you do, because I packed the bag with as much gear as I can fit into it, and you can see how much stuff it actually can hold. So for you guys who already have watched my last video about the backpack, the 511 Ross 72, this is how the backpack ended up. You can see I packed it a little bit different than I did in the last video. I brought my winter sleeping bag instead of the summer sleeping bag. I bought a little chair and yeah, my stove and some other stuff. So yeah, it got a little more heavier than I expected, but I hope it's okay. Let's hit the road and get out there. Finally here. We have the forest and the sea. Maybe you can hear it already. It's only about 50 meters to the sea from here. But I'm gonna put on my backpack and get the stove and the food and start walking through the forest. This is the 3rd video, and this is on tour with the backpack. And yeah, this is how it ended up. Slightly different from the packing video. So I decided to bring my winter sleeping bag and yeah, some more equipment that I didn't bring or put in the bag at the packing test. Of course, my stove, that's about 10 kilo, 20 pounds itself. My cooling box and my food, about 5 kilo, I would guess, 10 pounds. So all in all, it's about 40 kilo, 80 pounds. So I decided to find a place to camp only about 10 minutes walk from the car. It's heavy, and I wouldn't recommend that. And I probably wouldn't do that with a backpack normally, but this is a test of the bag, and I must say it did the job. Carrying this kind of weight in this backpack, it really doesn't seem that it's struggling with the weight. It's very robust, and yeah, I'm still amazed about this backpack. I think I've pushed it to the max right now. Both about how much content it can hold and the weight. So it's nice to know the limits. of how much I can carry and how much the backpack can carry. So I think I've reached the limit for this backpack. So yeah, I've also attached a lot of stuff outside, the sleeping bag, the tent. I have a small chair, and yeah, my camera stand, my saw, my axe. Inside the front pocket here, which I really love. I love this front pocket, the open pocket here. I have, yeah, spoon for dinner and my gloves, coffee, a little stove. And why did I bring this one? Yeah, because I'm gonna build a campfire tonight for cooking dinner, but tomorrow morning when I get up, I just want a cup of coffee maybe. This little stove is perfect for that. It's it doesn't need gas or anything. It's for wood, and yeah, maybe I'll show you in the morning. So it's a good one to bring as well. I've got my plate, my fire pit, and the grill that I probably also will be using tonight, and also part of the grill. Oh my god, more in here. And yeah, my cutting board and my knife. So all of this stuff was just in this open pocket. That's amazing. So I guess, yeah, I'm just gonna unpack and set up my camp now, but I guess this kind of ends the series of these 3 reviews of the backpack 511 Ross 72. You can see all 3 videos, of course, on my channel, and find links in the description. If you have any questions or comments or anything about the backpack, or questions about my use of it or anything, you're more than welcome to drop me a comment. But yeah, thanks for following this adventure in the backpack testing here, and of course, hopefully you will consider to subscribe to my channel here, share, like, anything. I would really appreciate it, and as you know, it will make me very happy. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day here, and the evening and the sunrise tomorrow. And to all of you, have a nice one out there, and enjoy. Bye.